चलो
If there are n distinct things to be placed in n different places, there will be n factorial number of arrangements which we can make. But in case of circular arrangement, the number of arrangements will be less. We discussed it today that why the number of arrangements are less in case of circular cube or circular arrangement. Suppose I have taken a general cube in which there are 5 people sitting, A, B, C, D and E. Now if I ask them to sit a little bit differently, that is, if I ask them to make one place shift, then this arrangement will change as B, C, D, E and A. So these two, first and second, are two different arrangements in case of a general cube. But if we are taking a circular cube and I am making a circular cube like this, I am putting 5 people A, B, C, D and E. And if I am asking them to shift one place, suppose clockwise, then the new arrangement will be E, A, B, C and D. So these are two ways, but the arrangement is same because a circle don't have any start or ending point. So in this case, A, B, C, D, E is one arrangement. The same arrangement A, B, C, D, E is also there. So these two are not two different arrangements, but they are same arrangement in case of circular cube, while they are different in case of a general cube, which have first element as A and last element as E. Now, in order to find the number of arrangement in case of circular cube, we have to fix the position of one element. We have to fix the position of one element. Let us suppose we have fixed the position of A. Now A will not change. And now we will make other elements. Now they will make a shift of one place, but A will remain at the same position. So the arrangement which we are getting will be now this arrangement, which is third, is different from the first one. So like this, we have to arrange things in a circular cube. In this way, we can say that we have fixed the position of one element, which is A. Now there are n minus 1 element left, which can be placed anywhere. So the number of arrangements will be n minus 1 factorial. Now we discuss a special case of necklace in case of circular permutation. Why it is special? Because in case of necklace, clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangements will be same. Let us discuss this. Suppose I am taking a general circular cube and I am arranging 5 things A, B, C, D and E in a circle. Suppose I arrange them like this: A, B, C, D and E. Now if I will go clockwise, the arrangement is A, B, C, D, E clockwise, and if I will go anti-clockwise, the arrangement will be E, D, C, B and A. These two arrangements are different. First, second. Now if I am taking a case of necklace and there are 5 stones which are placed, suppose A, B, C, D and E. Now they are arranged like this: B, C, D and E. This is one arrangement. Now if I turn this necklace from front to back and I fix all the places, A, B, C, D, E are fixed, and I am turning this necklace from front to back, the arrangement will become like this. So actually, I have turned this necklace and we have got this new arrangement. But these two arrangements will be same in case of necklace, because necklace we can wear in any way. The arrangement will be same. But in case of general cube, if people are sitting around a circular table, they cannot sit upside down. So these two will be two different arrangements in case of general cube, but these two will be same arrangement in case of necklace, as we can wear necklace in any of these two ways. So the number of permutations will change and will become less, from n minus 1 factorial to n minus 1 by 2 factorial, because these two arrangements will be same in case of a necklace.